known as 3I/Atlas. A visitor that may have spent millions, perhaps billions, of years wandering through interstellar space before arriving here entirely by chance. Its discovery immediately attracted global attention. Astronomers rushed to point telescopes toward it. Researchers began calculating its trajectory. Scientists started asking a question that has appeared only a handful of times in human history. What can this object tell us about another star system? But as excitement grew, so did speculation. Claims spread across social media. Videos appeared online. Some suggested the object was behaving strangely. Others argued it was hiding something unexpected. And many people were left wondering whether there was more to the story than official announcements revealed. So what exactly is 3I/Atlas? And what is NASA not saying? The answer is both less dramatic and far more fascinating than many rumors suggest. To understand why, it helps to begin with a simple fact. Objects like 3I/Atlas are extraordinarily rare. For most of human history, astronomers assumed material occasionally traveled between star systems. The physics made sense. Planetary systems form through chaotic collisions. Gravity constantly ejects asteroids, comets, and debris into interstellar space. Over billions of years, entire galaxies should become filled with wandering objects drifting between stars. The problem was finding them. Interstellar objects are small, dark, fast, and usually visible only for brief periods before disappearing forever. Then everything changed in 2017. That year, astronomers discovered the first known interstellar visitor ever observed passing through our solar system, Oumuamua. The object immediately became one of the most controversial astronomical discoveries in decades. Its shape appeared unusual. Its motion puzzled researchers. And small, unexpected accelerations generated intense scientific debate. Some explanations involved natural outgassing. Others proposed unfamiliar physical processes. A few researchers even suggested far more exotic possibilities. Although most scientists favor natural explanations, Oumuamua demonstrated something important. Interstellar objects can surprise us. Then, in 2019, another visitor arrived. 2I/Borisov. Unlike Oumuamua, Borisov behaved more like a traditional comet. It released gas and dust while approaching the Sun, allowing scientists to study material formed around another star directly. For the first time, humanity was examining chemistry originating beyond the solar system. Now comes 3I/Atlas. And once again, astronomers are paying very close attention, because every interstellar object represents something extraordinary. A physical sample from another planetary system. A messenger carrying information from a place humanity may never visit. The most important thing scientists know about 3I/Atlas is its trajectory. The object appears to be traveling too fast to be gravitationally bound to the Sun. Its orbit is highly hyperbolic. In other words, it is not circling the Sun like a normal comet or asteroid. It is passing through, arriving from interstellar space, then eventually leaving forever. That alone makes it scientifically priceless. Every observation becomes an opportunity to learn about conditions around distant stars. Researchers can analyze reflected light, measure chemical signatures, track changes in brightness, study dust and gas escaping from the object. Each measurement provides clues about environments billions of kilometers beyond our reach. But perhaps the biggest misconception surrounding 3I/Atlas involves secrecy. Some people assume NASA possesses hidden information that has not been shared publicly. The reality is almost the opposite. Astronomy is one of the most transparent sciences in existence. Observations are distributed globally. Multiple observatories collect independent data. Researchers publish findings openly. Scientists from different countries analyze the same information simultaneously. No single organization controls what astronomers see. In fact, one reason discoveries involving interstellar objects generate so much discussion is because the data are often incomplete. Researchers are working with limited observations gathered across enormous distances. Uncertainty is not evidence of secrecy, is evidence that science is still in progress. And with 3I/Atlas, many important questions remain unanswered. Scientists still do not know its exact composition. They do not know how long it traveled through interstellar space. They do not know which star system it originated from. And they do not fully understand how its surface may respond as it moves closer to the Sun. That uncertainty creates opportunities for misunderstanding, but it also creates opportunities for discovery. Because interstellar objects are fundamentally different from most bodies inside our solar system. Many local comets have orbited the Sun repeatedly. They have lost material during countless close approaches. Their surfaces have been altered by billions of years of solar radiation. An interstellar object may tell a completely different story. Some materials inside 3I/Atlas may have remained largely unchanged since the formation of a distant planetary system billions of years ago. Certain molecules could preserve information about temperatures, chemistry, and conditions around another star. In effect, 3I/Atlas may function as a time capsule from another part of the galaxy. And the closer it moves toward the Sun, the more information it may reveal. Solar heating can trigger outgassing. Jets of vaporized material may erupt from the surface. Dust may be released into space. Spectroscopic instruments can analyze these materials remotely, identifying chemical compounds impossible to observe directly. Every particle escaping the object potentially carries clues about its history, its birthplace, and its journey. Some scientists are particularly interested in understanding whether interstellar objects resemble bodies found in our own solar system or whether they reveal entirely unfamiliar compositions. The answer could transform planetary science. If most planetary systems produce similar materials, it would suggest common processes operate throughout the galaxy. If major differences emerge, researchers may need to rethink assumptions about planetary formation itself. And then there is the larger question: how many interstellar objects are actually passing through the solar system? For centuries, humanity detected none. Now we have identified multiple examples within only a few years. Many astronomers suspect interstellar visitors are far more common than previously believed. The problem is not their rarity. The problem is our ability to detect them. New telescopes are becoming dramatically more powerful. Future observatories may discover dozens or even hundreds of interstellar objects every year. What seems extraordinary today may eventually become routine. And if that happens, entirely new areas of science could emerge. Researchers may begin comparing samples from multiple star systems, tracking how different planetary environments shape their debris, studying galactic processes using objects that travel naturally between stars. In some ways, 3I/Atlas represents the beginning of a new era, an era in which humanity no longer studies only its own solar system, but begins directly investigating material originating elsewhere in the galaxy. Yet despite all the excitement, one fact remains important. 3I/Atlas is not dangerous, is not heading toward Earth, is not evidence of hidden technology, is not proof of a secret being concealed from the public. The real story is far more remarkable. A natural object from another star system has entered our cosmic neighborhood. Scientists across the world are studying it in real time. And for a brief moment in history, humanity has an opportunity to examine a traveler that spent unimaginable lengths of time wandering through the darkness between stars. A silent visitor carrying fragments of another solar system, crossing the Sun's domain, before vanishing back into the galaxy forever.